What's up guys, and welcome back to the Generation Works YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be starting part one of the CRF 250 bar build. If you watched my videos in the past, I posted one of me doing the plastics. But as I was saying, I got interrupted. But if you want to go check out that video of me seeing what I needed to get by putting the plastics back together and kind of configuring what it would look like and stuff, but because I kind of bought it just like this pretty much. But I'm going to be taking the things, some of the things off, the radiators, all the clutch cable, throttle cable, most of the wiring, just so I don't damage it when I'm pressure washing it and cleaning it. Stator cover, carburetor, probably not the shock yet, but it would be nice because I don't know if you can see back in here, it's really hard to clean. It gets really dirty and it's hard to clean that with the shock. But I'm hoping the pressure washer will do most of the hard work. I'll just do most of the cleaning, making it shine, making it look good. But I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse and I'll get back with you before we start power washing. Before I set you guys down here, we're gonna be using some Eagle One mag wheel cleaner. It is very highly recommended for cleaning aluminum and aluminum parts. We use this little scrubber brush, Scotch-Brite pad, and I might get a new one. This is kind of losing its scuff, the scrubbability of the pad. But and then some of this Law is totally awesome degreaser, and then possibly some Simple Green if I can find some, but I think I might be out. Simple Green is very good at degreasing stuff and cleaning things very well. So other than that, we're gonna get right to it because we're losing daylight.
What we do here is go back.
Welcome back from that little time lapse there, for me taking apart the rest of the bike. And as you can see, we officially have basically a completely bare bike. The only thing that I'm not going to disconnect because I just don't want to mess with it. I mean, I may have to later, but was the rear front and rear brake. Other than that, I left the bike, or took everything off the bike, and it looks kind of weird, looks kind of funny. For those of you who've never seen a bike basically completely taken apart, but I think the only thing I might do is take the shock fork protectors there, fork guards, off before I start washing. But we're losing daylight here, so we're gonna get right to it. Welcome back, guys. My camera had a little bit of an error, and I lost some footage of me cleaning and washing the bike, but I'll show you the results. The results are awesome. It shined up very nicely. It looks really good. These triple clamps shined up really nicely, and some of the frame looks brand new almost. It just shines, that mag wheel cleaner shines everything up really good. The thing I noticed the most is if you're using that stuff, you gotta put it on in little areas, wash it off real quick, because it leaves like some spots and residue. I mean, it wipes off, but it's a pain in the butt. But all in all, it turned out great, and I think in the next couple weeks I'll be starting the rebuild on the engine, and that'll be part 2 or 3 of this build. Subscribe so you can get notifications on when I post my next video, and all in all, I'm really excited for this build. I've always wanted to build a dirt bike, and there's nothing better than being able to share it with you guys and bring you along the way. Before I let you guys go, I'm gonna update you on some of the things I'm getting. I just ordered a bracket for right here, and it allows me to run the 2019-2020 front fender, or front number plate and fender, which will make the bike look basically new. It just gives it a restyle, because that old front fender is kind of just rounded and looks not very slim and like the more modern version. But I plan on getting a nice graphics kit, cleaning up a bunch of these parts over here. I'll clean those up. I might do a video on cleaning and restoring plastics, because those are pretty bad and they need to be smoothed out before I put a graphics kit on them. But I got the Rich Rabbit rebuild kit, and brand new OEM cylinder. So subscribe and stay tuned for those videos, and I thank you guys for watching Generation Works, and I'll see you next time. Peace.